and show-nose guitarfish. Yes, they only go up to the touch part because there's an aquarium under the touch part. And inside the aquarium place, on top of it, is a touch pool. And my cousin Ismail, he touched the sturgeon. Isn't that amazing? You can touch bat rays, especially bat rays. I know a fish that comes up. Fish, like starfish, they can breathe and dance. Not really, not that much. Mud skippers can breathe in air. Mud skippers are land fish. They're lovable fish. Lovable. Do you know something? Did you know that if the sturgeonfish went down to the aquarium, which they can, because there's a drop off at the end, and that's where the aquarium is. Well, let me show you. Let me show you the place. Okay. The place is right there. The place is right there. Right there. This is a soda. There's a drop right here. Where all the fish and bat rays. Oh yeah, there's a type of fish there. There's a fish that goes. You wanna know what it does? All it does, it never comes up. It always stays down in the drop off. The drop off is only like 4 feet deep. 4 or 5 feet deep. And there's shovel-nosed guitarfish. It's really cool.